Okay, as you can see, this frame is fully capped honey, and we're going to start the uncapping process. Look at that honey. Try not to damage too much of the comb because we want to reuse it. Did a fairly good job of capping it, or uncapping it. Gotta start coming down on this side. As you can see, as we cut down along it, the wax cappings, which these will get drained after these do. That's some capped honey. Oh yeah, that looks so good. Now we got our little fork that will go in and get the areas that the knife didn't get. And that's basically the first frame that I've ever produced for honey. Now that we got the machine with 4 frames, you see there's no honey in the bottom, but you can start to see. We'll put the lid on and you spin it, and as you spin it, the honey will come out. This is it spinning, and the honey is actually being flung out of the cells down into the bottom. They return the frame over, and now we're extracting on the other side. And as you can see down in the bottom, I don't know if you can see or not, but the honey's starting to collect. Here at Wardens Farm, the first honey harvest. And it'll drain through in no time.